I think the impact of Brexit on businesses' appetite to invest and to grow is one that we need to continue to monitor. We've just triggered Article 50, we're now in the transition period, and actually what we're seeing from businesses is a continuing appetite to grow. So we're not seeing any impact at the moment. We are seeing a little bit of uncertainty about investing for the longer term, but I think the longer that uncertainty goes, the more risk is it's going to impact on manufacturing plans to invest. The biggest risk I think facing UK manufacturing in the years ahead is if they don't move fast enough. We're facing into a huge amount of disruption in the market, lots of talk about the fourth industrial revolution, but it's happening now. And I think if we don't invest in new innovative technologies, invest for the future, invest in the supply chain, then UK manufacturing, which has a lot of things to be incredibly positive about with the growth rates that we're seeing, will fall behind. I don't think we have the luxury of sitting still in a highly disruptive market. So not doing anything, not embracing those new changes, I think is the biggest risk facing manufacturing today. NatWest and Lombard are doing a lot to support manufacturers in the UK. We support over 52,000 manufacturing companies from small, medium-sized right up to the large-scale global manufacturers. And we've been supporting the sector for over 200 years. So it's a really important part of what we do with local manufacturers, trained relationship managers on the ground supporting business. But it's more than just providing lending and asset financing. We try and help support real wraparound care. We partner with the Catapult, with EEF, with different programs to really help manufacturers shape their strategy, to support them as they grow, help them with innovation ideas, help them with advice to really help develop this sector, given we're such an important part of it. And for us, it's really about being part of that ecosystem and helping connect everyone together so that we can all learn from each other and actually collaborate, which I think is a huge part of what's going to be the success of the sector. It's really important for NatWest to be part of today's conference because this is bringing together all of the thought leaders around the manufacturing sector to really understand what are the challenges, what are the opportunities for us to really face into the future and be successful. It's so important for the UK economy to have a thriving manufacturing sector and having a voice as the business and making sure that we're addressing the challenges and the opportunities, particularly as we face into the new world economy, the fourth industrial revolution, all of the challenges we have, helping make sure we've got the skills, the capabilities, the investment in the supply chain, and as an industry coming together, learning from each other and working out how we move forward together.